My dear audience, today I shall discuss a new definition about force. The discussion is based on both science and philosophy. Let us come to the topic. Force. Before analyzation of a force, we should know three things: doer, ability, and work. One who does work is called doer. The ingredient by which the doer completes the work is called ability, and the ability of doer by which an object is displaced from one place to another is called work. For instance, I cut a branch by X. Here I am doer. The X is my weapon by which I cut the branch, applying force through X, and branch cutting is my work. Here, if someone asks me that who cut the branch, I will answer him that I cut the branch. That means the doer completes the work applying his internal force through a weapon. So, what is force? The answer is the force is an ability of the applier which is applied on the object to perform work. The applied force is an interaction between the applier and the applied force. There are three kinds of physical objects found on the surface of the earth: matter, plant, and animal. Heat is the applier of the states of matter. Temperature is the ability of heat, and the molecular and atomic vibrations are the works of matter. Sun is the applier of plants. Sunshine is the ability of sun, and the organic works are the work of plants. Similarly, the conscious energy is the applier of animal. The sensory capacity is the ability of conscious energy, and the physical work is the work of animal. Newton discovered the definition of a force. According to him, there is no change in the position, rest, or motion of a body unless an unbalanced external force is applied upon it. That is, no body can be set in motion without having a force acts upon it, or a body cannot change its motion unless a resultant force acts upon it. But the action of resultant force is not held without an applier, or a force cannot change the position of a body without the help of an applier. The external agent applies force on an object due to external effect or any other cause. Hence, there is no change in the position, rest, or motion of a body in the absence of external agent. The force is an ability capable of being the state of rest or of motion on an object by the motion of an object by the help of the applier. It is applied due to the property, nature, and will of the doer. The existence of a force is felt always in the physical body of the applier. So, it is an internal ability of the applier by which he does every work. Definition: force is an internal ability of the applier by which he is able to perform work. Applier, force, and work. All works are performed by two elements, applier and force. The applier applies force due to some cause, and the cause may be his property, will, or the influence of surroundings. The force is converted to applied force or come out from unrevealed condition to revealed condition by the application of a doer. The applied force is converted to potential energy that bears a tendency of work existing, inactive, and supporting an object. Then the potential energy is converted to kinetic energy by which the work is done. When the applier remains inactive, There is no application of a force at that time. We cannot imagine how much of force exists in the internal area of the applier. It exists inactive, unrevealed, covering the entire body of the applier. This is called unapplied force. We cannot find the existence of a force application. Still, then it is an ability by which the applier performs all the physical works of the surroundings. One cannot measure its quantity. It is unseen, confidential, and immeasurable before application. As it is immeasurable, it has not length, breadth, and height to any direction, and it is always assumed in fourth dimensional field in space. The applier exists in three-dimensional field in space possessing mechanical properties. The mechanical properties of the substances that are considered are stiffness, toughness, strength, ductility, hardness, and impact resistance. So the physical property is the mechanical property of the substance. It is generated at the time of manufacturing. When a substance is manufactured or a plant or an animal takes birth, it is generated as a physical property by nature. The force becomes a physical property automatically at the manufacturing of substance by the application of any other applier. Hence, the physical property is the applied force of an applier that is found in the physical body in three-dimensional field. The applied force is found only in three-dimensional space that unfolds the physical surroundings. The unapplied force becomes physical property at the time of birth or manufacturing of the substances being applied by time. Hence, the time is applier, unapplied force is the ability of time, and the physical property is the work of substances. According to Einstein, as time exists in the fourth dimensional space, the force is also exists in fourth dimensional space. Force is inactive ability of time. Time is the static condition of force, and space is the base of force. This is the new theory of force. I hope you will accept my theory with the best compliment. Now, this is the end of my topic. Subscribe my channel first. Get Supreme Sweetheart. Jai Guru, Jai Guru, Jai Guru, Jai Guru.